Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to learn 40 daily English sentences. These are simple sentences that you can use every day. They are perfect for beginners who want to speak English more naturally.
Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice every day. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Good morning, how are you? Good morning. How are you? I need some coffee. I need some coffee. What time is it? What time is it? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Can I have a coffee, please? Can I have a coffee, please? How much is this? How much is this? I have a question. I have a question. I would like some chicken. I would like some chicken. How was your day? How was your day? See you later. See you later. Which floor are you going to? Which floor are you going to? I am busy right now. I am busy right now. Can you help me? Can you help me? I will call you later. I will call you later. This coffee tastes great. This coffee tastes great. It's nice to see you again. It's nice to see you again. I'm just looking. I'm just looking. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Where is the train station? Where is the train station? The train is coming now. The train is coming now. I'm really hungry. I'm really hungry. This looks delicious. This looks delicious. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Can you take a photo of me? Can you take a photo of me? I'm back home. I'm back home. I'm making dinner. I'm making dinner. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. This show is funny. This show is funny. I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? How was your day? How was your day? It might rain today. It might rain today. I don't want to forget anything. I don't want to forget anything. I need to clean my room. I need to clean my room. The plants look healthy. The plants look healthy. Exercise makes me feel good. Exercise makes me feel good. I love this peaceful place. I love this peaceful place. I'm tired today. I'm tired today. Good night, see you tomorrow. Good night, see you tomorrow.
Amazing job! You just learned 40 useful English sentences. Keep practicing them every day to improve your English. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next English lesson. Bye!